Hello members of Tambuwal math class. Here is a very interesting word problem question leading to inequality. And the question reads, during a week-long fishing trip, Tambuwal caught 9 less than 3 times the number of fish Esomnofu caught. If they caught at least 45 fish combined, what is the minimum number of fish Esomnofu could have caught? Very interesting question. So I would like to declare the number of fish caught by Esomnofu to be either any variable. So let me bring Esomnofu down here. Esomnofu. Let's assume he has n fish. Or he caught n fish, and Tambuwal down here. Tambuwal. Aha. 9 less than 3 times the number of fish caught by Esomnofu. And that is it. But the question further stated that if they caught at least greater or equal to 45. That is what it means here. Combine this plus this. N plus 3n minus 9. All right, so I think I should take this one over, and I have 4n down here, greater or equal to, this is negative as it crosses over. 5 will join this to make it 50, and 4, 54. But 4 is not a factor of 54, so let me see. It is going to be a decimal. 54 divided by 4 is 13.5. 13. So if you divide both sides by 4, you have 13.5. But the question is stated that, what is the minimum number of fish Esomnofu could have caught? Talking about number of fish, you should expect a whole number. So n greater or equal to 13.5 implies n equals what? 14. Just round it up to 14. 14 fish. This is the solution to this problem.